Welcome to our channel, where we bring you daily quality content to help you discover the best products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of laminators, searching for the best one that suits your needs. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest products. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Buy Younger 4-in-1 Thermal Laminator. The Buy Younger 4-in-1 Thermal Laminator is a great machine for doing pretty much everything you'd need. It can laminate A4 and makes use of both 3mm and 5mm, though it lacks a manual switch to swap between the two sizes. The Buy Younger also heats up under 2 minutes and can handle both hot and cold lamination for heat-sensitive documents. This is a quiet laminator and has a speed of 340 mm per minute, making it a speedy device to use if you're a teacher or office worker needing to get through large bundles of documents. Just as importantly, the Buy Younger 4-in-1 Thermal Laminator features an ABS jam release button for quickly unsticking documents, which in turn should extend the life of this laminator. The Buy Younger 4-in-1 Thermal Laminator also comes with a round corner trimmer and paper cutter to enable you to tidy up your laminated documents for a smarter finish. Number 2. Crenova A4 Laminator, GS816. The Crenova A4 Laminator is a nice all-rounder and an affordable laminator. It comes with all of the tools to get you up and running at home, including a paper cutter, round corner trimmer and hole punch, as well as 15 laminating pouches, A4, A5 and A6. While results are good, the Crenova takes a little longer to heat up than our laminator at number 1. This device reaches temperature after 5 minutes. This isn't terrible but makes it better for home use where time isn't such a pressure. It's a little slower than the Buy Younger 2, running at a 250 mm per minute laminating speed. The Crenova works with pouches between 120 to 200 micrometers in weight, which is ideal for laminating bookmarks, photos and recipes. Like the Buy Younger, this laminator has an ABS unjammer for removing stuck documents, which is always useful. Number 3. Scotch Thermal Laminator Combo Pack. The Scotch brand Pro Thermal Laminator is a neat little laminator that weighs less than most on this list. When it comes to classroom use, you want a laminator that will keep going without overheating or malfunctioning. After all, the whole student body's going to want to go at some point, and you don't want to let them down. For a high level of reliability, we'd recommend the Scotch Pro Thermal Laminator. A real workhorse, this laminator takes about 3 to 5 minutes to warm up and uses 2 heated rollers to laminate material up to 9 inches wide. The results are bubble and wrinkle-free, and jams are pretty rare. It's also very easy to use, and it automatically shuts off after 1 hour of inactivity. As such, this is the best laminator for arts and crafts projects, photos, recipe cards, and other educational activities in the classroom. Number 4. Sinky Never Jam. The Sinky Never Jam does exactly that, it never jams. I say never, as it's not happened to me, yet. Despite its lightweight and slightly cheap-feeling build quality, this 13-inch Sinky laminator is a really good workhorse, and one of the cheapest on this list. The variable heat settings mean you can tailor the lamination to the thickness of the paper you're using. This means the 50 seconds warm-up is essential, as you can pass through and test papers and posters as desired. The Sinky also supports continuous lamination for larger projects. The 13-inch inlet can handle everything from ID cards to posters, which is excellent. The combination of 48-second warm-up and maximum 40 inches/minute speed saves you valuable time on lamination projects. It takes only 4 minutes to laminate 10 3mm letter-size pouches. The 13-inch inlet accepts all standard pouches from ID card to 13 inches by 19 inches poster size, 3 to 10mm per side. Number 5. Amazon Basics 9-inch Thermal Laminator. The Amazon Basics 9-inch Thermal Laminator is a no-frills machine that can handle both 3 and 5mm lamination. It means you can cover and protect most items from photos to standard documents, but it can't handle thicker 10mm lamination, but most people don't need this thickness. This basic laminator takes around 3 to 5 minutes to warm up, which is a little longer than some others on my list. If you don't let it warm up to temperature, then your documents can come out with stripe marks, so the Amazon Basics 9-inch Thermal Laminator is a bit temperamental. However, for the price, this Amazon Basics machine offers excellent value, and if you're patient with its use, the results are excellent. It features a paper jam lever for easily removing any stuck paper, and overall it's a nice laminator. This also comes in the wider Amazon Basics 12-inch Thermal Laminator model, if you need a larger machine.